Flu season has arrived. Don't let it knock you down this year. I dread winter, the constant sniffles, scratchy throats, and feeling drained. But then here's a discovery of 4 simple ways to keep the flu far, far away. 1, load up on propolis to strengthen your immunity and keep your body ready to fight. 2, fuel with antioxidants like turmeric to battle those nasty free radicals. 3rd, a natural antiviral remedy in elderberry is a lifesaver for soothing sore throats and tackling cold and flu head-on. Studies reveal that women over 30 are more prone to nutrient deficiencies, making them vulnerable to frequent colds and flu. That's why I always recommend to sip on this game-changing tea that has all the benefits mentioned earlier. Find it on Amazon. It's called Hey Girl Feel Better Tea.